Hello, body fangs. Welcome to the push. Guys, as in any other country in the world, kids are bloody amazing. Doesn't matter if they got rooi hare met sproete, or they got buck teeth, or groot ore soos 'n wingnut. They are all bloody cute, okay. However, every parent gets that moment where you think to yourself, what the bloody have I done? I have created a monster. Gertjie! Haal jou bloody vinger uit jou neus uit. Moenie dit eet nie. Sis man. Nee, Saartjie, as jy nou vol is, as jy klaar geëet het, sê jy nie jy's vet nie. Okay. Jy sê jy's versadig. Dit beteken nie as daar 'n dik tannie by die deur staan, jy sê daar's 'n versadige tannie by die deur nie. Nee, sis man. Ek gaan nie jou vinger ryk nie. Waar het jou vinger gehad? Ja. Always my turn to change a nappy after vegetable purity. So if you don't have kids yet, good luck. Okay, thanks.